Exercise 7.2 section formula. Section formula. Let A B draw a line A to B and mean point M1 ratio M2 and point P, that is X comma Y. So A is equal to X1 Y1 points and B is equal to X2 Y2 points. X1 Y1 and X2 Y2. So by section formula, coordinate points of P, X, Y is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2. M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2. And coordinate points of Y is equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2. Its section formula. Question number first. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4 minus 3 in the ratio of 2:3. Given, let A is equal to first point, that is -1, 7, and B is equal to second point, that is 4 and -3. So ratio is equal to 2:3. Using by section formula, that is point P, and first point is A, second point is B, but coordinate points of A is -1, 7 and B is 4, -3. So given ratio is equal to 2:3. PXY. We want to find the points of PXY. So using by section formula, PXY is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by -1 divided by 2 plus 3. 2 multiplied by 4 plus first point multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by -1 divided by 2 plus 3. Section formula. And second point, 2 multiplied by -3 plus 3 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 plus 3. 2 multiplied by second point is -3 plus 3 multiplied by, here second point is 7 divided by 2 plus 3. So px comma y is equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 3 1s are 3 divided by 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5, and 3 2s are minus 6 plus 7 3s are 21 divided by 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. Coordinates point is equal to 5, that is 5 divided by 5, and 21 minus 6, that is 15 divided by 5. So 5 is cancelled and 5 3s are 15. So coordinates point is equal to 1, 3. Answer. Given A, that is minus 1 and 7, B is equal to 4 minus 3, given ratio that is 2:3. Using bisection formula, 2 multiply by, first of all 2 multiply by first point 4, 2 multiply by 4 plus 3 multiply by minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3, that is value of x, first point. 2 multiply by 4 plus 3 multiply by minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3, comma 2 multiply by second point minus 3 plus 3 multiply by second point 7 divided by 2 plus 3. 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are minus 3, 8 minus 3, that is 5, and 5 divided by 5, which is divisible, 1. Answer is 1. So 2 3s are minus 6 plus 7 3s are 21, 21 minus 6, that is equal to 15, and 15 divides 5, 3 5s are 15. So coordinates point is equal to 1, 3. Answer. Question second. Find the coordinates of the points of intersection of the line segment joining 4 minus 1 minus 2 and minus 3. A is equal to, given A is equal to 4 minus 1 and B is equal to minus 2 minus 3. B, draw a line A, B. Trisection means point divides 3 equal parts P and Q. So in AB, one part is left side and 2 is right. So ratio will become 1:2. And for Q, ratio will become 2:1. 2 part left side, 1 right side. So ratio will become 2:1. Coordinates of P is equal to 1 multiply by minus 2 plus 2 multiply by 4. 1 multiply by minus 2 plus 2 multiply by 4 divided by 1 plus 2, comma 1 multiply by minus 3 plus 2 multiply by minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 1s are minus 2 plus 4 2s are 8 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 1s are minus 3 plus 2 1s are 2, but minus 2 plus into minus, that is minus 2 divided by 3. So coordinates of P is equal to 6 divided by 3, comma, minus 5 divided by 3. This implies 6 is divisible by 3, 2 3s are 6, but coordinate points is equal to minus 5 by 3, 2 comma minus 5 by 3, and coordinates of Q is equal to same process by section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus 1 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 plus 1. 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus 1 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 plus 1, comma 2 multiplied by minus 3 plus 1 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. This implies 2 2s are minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3, comma 2 2s are minus 4 plus 4 1s are positive 4 divided by 3, comma 3 2s are minus 6 minus 1. Minus 6 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, 3. So coordinates of Q is equal to 0 upon 3, comma, minus 7 divided by 3. This implies coordinates point of Q is equal to 0, comma, minus 7 upon 3. Given A is equal to 4 minus 1, B is equal to minus 2 minus 3, and by section formula, using bisection formula, B draw a line AB and it divides 3 equal parts A, P, PQ and QB. And first of all, we find the coordinates point of P. Coordinates point of P is equal to M1 plus M1x2 plus M2x1 divided by M1 plus M2, and here ratio is equal to 1:2. Left side is 1 and right side is 2 equal parts, so ratio is equal to 1:2. And M1x2 plus M2x1 divided by M1 plus M2, M1 is 1 and M2 is 2. 1 multiplied by minus 3 plus 2 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. 3 1s are minus 3 plus 2 1s are ये negative 2 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 divided by 3, and 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 divided by 3, that is 2. 6 divides 3 2 times. So coordinates point of P is equal to 2 comma minus 5 upon 3 answer. And we find the coordinates point of Q, and ratio is 2:1. So left side 2 equal parts, right side 1. So ratio will become 2:1. And applying the formula, bisection formula, 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus 1 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 plus 1. So 2 2s are minus 4. 2 multiplied by minus 2, that is equal to minus 4. And 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to positive 4. Positive 4, negative 4, that will become 0 divided by 3, that is 0. And 2 multiplied by second point is minus 3 plus 1 multiplied by second point is minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. 3 2s are minus 6. 1 1s are 1, but minus 1 multiplied by positive 1, that is minus 1. So minus 6 minus 1, that is minus 7. Minus 7 divided by 3. So the coordinates of Q is equal to 0 comma minus 7 upon 3 answer. Thank you so much.